Hello everyone, I'm Korea from Naturally Grown TV and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an unboxing. I will be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. Yesterday, which was December 1st, Best Buy had a doorbuster deal for them for the MacBook Pro for $1,099, $200 off. So I definitely copped that deal. And let's just get into this unboxing. So I got me a mouse. It's really cute too. I got the Apple Care. I got a case for it because we want that thing to be protected. And this is the baby, the MacBook Pro. So let's unbox her. Let's see if we can get this top off. And look at that. There she is. So in this box, I have the MacBook, and I think this is in space gray. Crap. So it's a very small pamphlet of instructions. We have the charger, very big charger, and the cord. MacBook Pro, this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch space gray. And let's go ahead and unwrap it. It's heavy for it to be so small. It's sleek. And this is her. Wow, I just opened it and it cut on. That is neat. Look at that. It's the screen. It's very pretty. I'm super excited, you guys. So I'm about to play with my new toy, and I will see you in the next flipping video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So it was kind of like a haul slash unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about it, drop a comment below in the comment section. And if you, let me know what you're working with. What laptop you got, what system you got, let me know. And do you prefer Windows or iOS? Do you prefer one over the other? So once again, I'll see you in the next flipping video.